go fuck the other bird.
I'm gonna turn you into the white belt.
It's funny.
God, Michelle, your butt is useful.
Yeah, that's right. Walk away.
Michelle,
Get
your
on the
butt.
other side of the cage.
Michelle,
Towards the cage.
Michelle, your
What?
butt is useful as the white pencil crayon.
That bird's annoying. I hate that bird. Like it's quack 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 quack. Stop videotaping me.
Get out of here.
You're more dirty than the yellow felt pen.
It's trolling you now.
I don't care though because I can talk over a stupid bird.
Shut up.
You sounded like a broken flute.
That's right.
Oh, dude, you
I'm
sound
your
like a fucking...
owner. You don't disrespect me. I'm human.
Shit.
Oh my god.
Where's that thing? Put it down. Put it down.
What is thinking up his pissed?
Put it down. Yeah.
It's called a crest.
Put your crust down.
Michelle, it's crest, not crust.
Oh my god.
You
It's like a
crust.
pizza. No one likes the
Your
crust.
crust. No, you shut the fuck up now.
Michelle, you're fucking handicapped.
No, they don't backtack a human. They're fucking birds. They just don't backtack.
You sound less human than the bird.
Shut up.
You legit sound like a fucking a black woman.
Oh my
You
god,
don't
he's like,
back-
"That's your bitch,
Shut
I'm kidding."
Don't back.
Up, okay? Why don't you follow?
I can let him out for you, Michelle. He'll eat you.
Yeah, so get over there. Get over there.
He comes right back and starts climbing on the cage to
He's
get
gonna
you.
try and start to fucking eat her. He's trying to get. She's
I know,
waiting
he's
until she
trying
gets
to
real
get to you.
close. If you move close, he'll fucking bite your
He
nipple.
will bite you. Look, straight up. He's taking
Dude.
chunks out of Dennis and scarred him.
Ow.
That thing will
Dude.
legit kill you.
If you go up there naked, you'll never see your nipple again.
Huh?
Nothing. You're so stupid. you
The bird
can't
left. Did you get?
Leave me alone! Why are you tormenting me?
You could so easily just move out of the
As he
way.
talks.
Fine.
Excuse me.
Yap though.
So
Yap 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 yap. Yeah. Yeah.
I always move out of the way of you, and you never shut the fuck up.
You.
Fuck you.
Bitch.
Don't touch me.
Don't